Hey everyone, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another 888 Lots box. It is a business box. What does that mean? I don't know. I paid $74 for it, and that's fully shipped. So we're going to check it out and see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, let's see what we have in this fun box. Business. What could it be? I'm thinking like file folders or
staplers, phones. I'm hoping office phones.
Paul's here, by the way.
Hello, everyone.
Hiding behind the camera. All right, what is in here? What are these? I don't know what this is. Something written in another language.
What is that?
Portable wig stand.
Portable wig stand.
It's a portable wig stand, folks.
In a business box.
In a business box, because you need a portable wig stand.
If you have a wig business.
Yes. There you go. See?
We got a bunch of them.
Bunch of them. Wig stand. Water wow. This is kind of like the Color Wonders, but it's the Melissa and Doug version.
Cool.
We'll be pricing this at the end, right?
Yes.
Paul, we'll be putting prices on everything at the end, so stay tuned to the end. You'll see how much exactly we made. Remember, we spent $24. This is a jewelry organizer, which is cool. That way you don't get your necklaces all tangled.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of nice. All right, I'm going to move this stuff over to the other table so I have room to look at some other stuff.
Looks to me like it's all kinds of different stuff.
This doesn't really strike me as business. Hey, there's a pill case.
There you go.
Something says Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes?
Holmes.
Magical Invisible Ink Pen Set.
Nice.
So much fun.
Got a couple of those.
I want to play with this. We do have a couple of these.
Yep.
If we have three, I'm going to give one
There's
to
one
each
over there in the corner.
Oh, my word. Where?
Right next to your hand.
Yeah.
There you go.
It almost bit me.
Awesome.
Look, James, Lexi, and Faith.
Stocking
I don't
stuffers.
know.
Boom.
They watch my videos, so probably not. Oh, there's another one. This is Daily Facial Moisturizer. If we get enough of one thing, we'll probably put it on Hooked on Pickin.
Yeah.
I like to put multiples. There's another one.
Another Cetaphil.
Yep. And move all these over.
Now, see, I would not have thought any of that stuff would have been in a business box.
No,
really.
I agree with you.
So it's general category.
And then there's sausage casing.
If you need that, you need that.
Sure. Does this have an expiration? I think it's just the stuff you put the sausage in. There's no expiration date on it. All right. Then we have another pill box holder.
There you go.
Weekly pill box. Look at that fancy one.
Boom.
That's when you're supersonic because you're taking so many things.
That's right.
Supplements and pills and all that.
See a phone, though.
You see a phone.
Right there.
Ooh, these are expensive. This is a 2-handset cordless phone system. So you have the base there, and then we actually have one with 5 bases on it. But
to me, it looks like it's been open, though.
Maybe. It's got the same circle.
Does it?
Sticker.
This right here was what I was thinking.
Well, I can open it and check it out.
This is probably where a clearance sticker was or something.
But this one is cool because you plug this one in where your actual phone jack is, and then the other one you can actually put anywhere in the house.
Cool.
So it doesn't have to be next to a phone jack, which is kind of nice. So we have one with 5. Although half the handsets we can't ever find. Roblox. This stuff is going like hotcakes. We got
know.
Mystery
Really
Box.
expensive.
Look at that.
Is it Series 1, Series 2? I know that makes a difference.
This one says, it doesn't say series. But it's an awful big set. Those little mini blind boxes we are selling for $30. So I can't imagine what this is going for. So stay tuned to the end. We're going to tell you how much everything is actually going to be sold for and where we're going to sell it so you know where to find it. Here's some more of those sausage casing things. This one sounds like powder.
That doesn't sound right.
No, it doesn't sound right.
I bet you those are expired. I'll have to check for an expiration date.
Probably will not sell those. Oh, here. This is booster pads. 30 pads, booster diapers absorbency. Stop nighttime leaks. For uses with diapers 4 to 6. So
Nice.
basically just an extra padding. What is this?
Toner?
Premium toner cartridge. Yes, very good.
Feast or famine on those.
I know. You never know what they're going to be worth. Here is this an actual lamp? It
That's
sure is.
nice.
It's an IKEA one, so I'm sure it comes in about 550 million
Exactly.
pieces.
And it needs to have a really cool Swedish name.
Yes.
What is its Swedish name?
I don't see the name of it.
Gotta be a cool Swedish name.
IKEA not floor lamp reading. That's what it says, not floor lamp. Sure looks like a floor lamp
Looks like
to
a
me.
floor lamp, yeah.
Okay. I just want to go to IKEA and walk around the store. These are masks. Sleep masks. Oh my word, they're so soft. There's a black one and a navy blue one.
Nice.
And then what are these? Earplugs.
Earplugs.
We need to give this to my mother-in-law because my father-in-law snores.
It's okay. A lot of guys snore.
Yep. I'm sure I snore. Do I, Paul?
No.
Don't tell anyone if I do. All right. So we got more of those masks. These are really, really soft and nice.
Well, we got a bunch of those.
Yeah, I like those. We'll probably put those on the store.
Cool.
And then we've got Nugenics. That is
Nugenics Ultimate.
in a rough box.
Very rough box.
Let's see what the bottle looks like, though. Perfectly fine.
Perfect. Fine. What's the expiration date on those?
7 of 2021.
We're good.
Yeah.
Very
that one's
good.
good. Feminine products.
Good old feminine products.
What are these? Service dog harness.
That's cool.
Size large, says. That is really neat.
Very cool.
What are these? Napkins? Or pillowcases? I don't know which they are. It's a pack of... They look more like pillowcases rather than napkins. Yeah, they're pillowcases. And they zip up. Nope, they're open.
Remind me of like when the girls did the tie-dye of their pillows.
Oh,
you know, you buy a
yeah.
set of white pillows and
That's a good idea.
no packaging with them, right?
No.
No.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, there's packaging right there. It says, congratulations.
You got
A free
stuff.
bonus gift.
Here you go. All right. So
That'd be
12.
a nice, like, for crafting and whatnot.
It would be. Ooh, look at this cool journal. Looks like a koi fish, doesn't it?
Yeah. It is really pretty.
It is a pretty journal. Look at that. That's going to go on the fire sale for sure.
Oh, yeah.
And it's magnetic.
Neat.
I like it.
Our cross journals like blew out as soon as we got them
Yeah.
on there.
We're getting some more of the cross journals, the leather ones. What is this? Is this a beach bag? Dock and bay. Oh, is it a chair? Dock and bay, size large. I don't want to take it all out. I'll never get it back in the packaging.
Can't be a chair, right?
The summer collection, lightweight, absorbent, sand won't stick. Oh, it's a beach towel.
There you go.
And it's definitely a sand won't stick to it material.
Oh, wow, yeah.
But it
well,
looks
that feels
like this.
different.
Yeah. That's neat.
That's nice.
Yeah. Alright,
Perfect time of the year to go to the beach.
I want to go to the beach right
Don't
now.
want to hang out here, I'll tell you that.
Send me to the beach. Trying to see if it says how big it is. No, I'll scan it. I bet I can find it. Oh, here's another mask. And another. What is this? It's camouflaged. Size large. Tactical dog canine vest.
Cool.
That's cool. And
Canine vest. I wonder if that's Kevlar. training something best.
Can we take it out of the package? It's not Kevlar.
No, it
it's just a
doesn't
harness.
feel heavy enough. Yeah.
No. And then the last thing in the box is basically their for an iPhone, and it has the plug-in for a regular headphone jack. You know how a lot of the iPhones are going away from the actual headphone jack in their phone. So this has the headphone jack on one side and the iPhone plug-in on the other side. So it's
what we spend for all this?
We spent $74 for everything. So we're going to actually go through, price everything out, let you know where we're going to sell it, and figure out how much money we make at the end of the box profit. So if you're interested in any of this, feel free to go ahead and contact me, but let's go ahead and price it and see what we got. Okay, so it took us about 30 minutes to price everything, but you're going to get the prices for every single item that we unboxed and some items that we intend on donating. So let's go ahead and go through. We used my awesome new scanner. This is called the Scan Avenger, and this is the most expensive one for about $63, but you can get various different ones available on my store now for a really good price, and so they go all the way down to $31. So if you don't want the $62 one, you can get the $31.
It was a really nice scanner. Best scanner I've ever dealt with.
Yes, it's awesome. So we have the service dog ones. These are both size large, so we're going to sell them as a bundle on the fire sale for $20. So you have a black service dog one and kind of a tactical one. And then this is pill boxes. So we have 2 of those at $5 a piece. We're going to sell on the fire sale. And then, of course, the invisible ink pens, $5 a piece on the fire sale. Comes with an awesome flashlight to show you the stuff. And then we have this awesome kind of koi fish journal for $10 that will sell on the fire sale. Then we have this awesome, everything is awesome, I guess.
Everything is awesome.
Everything is awesome. Everybody's now singing that song. There you go. You're welcome. All right, then we have this towel that is 63 inches by 31 inches, and it's not supposed to get sand in it for $10 on the fire sale. And then we have this on-the-go, kind of like the Color Wonder sets, but it's water-revealed pen. On-the-go Melissa and Doug, $5 for that. Then my awesome scanner. And then we have this weekly pill one. Look at that. It's got cool little, and it's got 4 compartments in each one for the week. $5 for that. Then on Hooked on Pickin, I'm going to put these sleep masks, $10 a piece. There's 2 masks in each, also with earplugs. And so they're brand new, really, really super soft. 7 of them for $10 a piece. Then we have this jewelry hanger for $5 that will be on the fire sale. And then we have this stack of 12 pillowcases. Paul suggested it'd be great for like artwork if you get kind of fabric pens or tie-dye or something like that. Or if you just want white pillowcases, here you go, $10 for 12 of them. Then we have the Nugenics. We're actually sending that to Amazon for $53 after fees. Then we have this phone. We're sending this to Amazon as well, $30 after fees. Then eBay, $10 for this toner cartridge. Could be more than that. We're going to spend some time looking it up, see if we can't find it. We're going to donate the feminine products and donate the little diaper inserts. Then we're going to, right here we've got, these are the wig holders, Amazon wig holders. We're going to get $5 after fees on Amazon for those. Then the 2-pack of the Cetaphil lotion, $13 is what we're going to get on Amazon.
And those prices are after fees on Amazon too.
Yes, all of them after fees. Then we have this IKEA floor lamp. We did open it up. The box has a little bit of scuffing on the side, but everything is brand new inside and even comes with light bulbs. Yeah. So $20 on the fire sale. Then we're going to sell this Roblox for $20 on the fire sale, this whole set. And then we're actually going to throw away the sausage casings because we're not sure. There's no expiration date on it, and they look a little
funky.
So
very funky looking.
We don't want to poison anybody. So those are all the items and where they're going and how much they are. And so if you're interested in any of them, feel free to go ahead and contact me. If it says Amazon, we're literally shipping them today, so you won't be able to have access to those. So totally on the fire sale, we're going to have $135 worth of stuff. Amazon, $101 worth of stuff. Hooked on Pickin, $70 worth of stuff. eBay, $10 for a total of $316. Remember, I paid $74 for this whole box, and that's including shipping. And so we'll take that off. So my total profit margin is $242 on this box. So not too shabby, and hopefully it's been fun to see what I unboxed from this business box with not so many business items, but fantastic items to resell. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out hookedonpickin.com for all of the things that I have for sale, including some of these items. I also have awesome scanners available that I just put on the store. They're awesome. They're my favorite thing ever. They range anywhere from $30 to $60. And so check them out. There's various different models, and the best part is they Bluetooth to your phone. So check them out on hookedonpickin.com. And of course, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe.